Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Chicken Gamer here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a main menu GUI for your game on Roblox. So this is going to be split into two parts. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make the UI, like the GUI itself, and I'm going to do a little bit of the coding, but in part 2 I'm just going to go over what I haven't done in this video. So part 2 should be out in the next few days, or the week, or in a week or so, because I don't really keep a timetable, so I'm not sure when it's going to be out. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so insert screen GUI into starter GUI, and then you can just name this main menu, and then you can insert a frame inside of the screen GUI, and then you can set the size to 1,0,1,0. This is going to fill the whole entire screen, and you can change the background color to whatever you want. I'm going to make it black, and I'm going to change the background transparency to 0.2. That looks okay for me. And I'm going to insert text label, and I'm just going to name this title, just to be organized. You don't need to name it exactly what I name it. You can name it whatever you want. Just if you're doing variables in the script, you're going to need to change the variable to the names of your text labels, screen GUIs and stuff. So to avoid confusion, I would suggest you use the same names as me, but it's nothing important. You can use your own names if you like. So I'm going to set the size for the title to go all the way across the top. So I'm going to set it to 1,0,0.2,0. So now it looks like that. And then I'm going to remove the background, and then I'm going to set the text to scaled, change it to white, and then I'm going to change this to my game. So this text is going to be the name of your game, and I'm going to change the font like that, and then insert text button, and you can put this in the middle of your screen. So I'm going to do this, so 0.5, 0.25, 0.1, like this, and then I'm going to position it to the middle of the screen. So I have a plugin called UI Design which will do that for me, like that. And then I'm going to set the text to scaled, and then I'm going to change the text to play, like that. So you see when you hover your mouse over it, it changes a different colour. So when you click on it, this whole GUI is going to disappear. So I'm just going to name this to play, like this. I'm also going to insert another text button. Actually, I'm going to duplicate this and then just position it further down, maybe 0.7, like this, and then I'm going to change it to quit. So then if the players join the game and want to quit the game, they can just press the quit button instead of pressing escape and then leave game. They can just do it like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that when they click the quit button, then it kicks them from the game, and then we're going to have like a custom message saying like you have left the game, thank you for playing, or something like that. So insert a local script, and then you can just name this main script, something like that, and then type exactly what I type. So if you, like I said before, if you have like different names for these buttons and the title and stuff, you need to change change that in the variables too. That's why I suggest that you use the same names as me, just to avoid confusion, and it might break the script. So I'm going to do a time lapse as usual when I do scripts, and I'll be back as soon as I've done the script. Okay, so that's your custom message inside of here. You can change this to whatever you like, it doesn't matter. It's not going to affect the script in any way. So this is the script that's going to activate when somebody presses the quit button, but it's not going to work just yet because we haven't set a line of code to activate this function. So we'll do that closer to the end, so just keep on watching, because I'm still doing the time lapse, we're not done yet. So let's carry on. Okay, so when somebody presses the play button, it's gonna set the visibility of this frame to false, so then people can no longer see this frame. So what I want to do is when this frame is visible, I don't want the players to be moving around. So I'm going to set the player's walk speed to 0, then 16, because that's the default walk speed. So if you want a custom walk speed, then change this here. So let's carry on. Okay, so we're finished with this script now. So if I click play here, click play, the GUI will disappear, and I also forgot to test something there, so I'll do it again. And as you can see, it's disabled my keyboard. Actually, it hasn't. So we're actually running out of time for this video, so I'll show you how to disable it in the next part. So we're gonna test the quit button. Yeah, you were kicked to the. You have been kicked from the game. You have left the game. Thanks for playing. Okay, so this is gonna be it for today's tutorial. If you did learn something from this video and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the bell to be notified when another video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below. I will fix the bug where you can't move, where you're not meant to move, but you can move in the next part. I'll also be finishing off the script in the next part also. So make sure you turn the bell, so then you'll be notified when that video comes out. So this is it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.